Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7. If your heater, blower motor fan doesn't work guys, we will show you which relay to check. Now we have a fuse for that as well, but you have a relay guys, and if that relay goes bad, your fan, blower motor fan, will not work. Now we have a video that explains how to completely diagnose the system, because it could be fan, it could be bad fan, bad relay, bad fuse, it could be a bad resistor as well, bad switch. So 5 things that could go wrong in the system, but most likely guys, first check the fuse and the relay. So that's what we'll be doing today. We'll show you where the relay is located. In addition, we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful or if you want to see any certain repairs on that vehicle. So let's start on it now. So I'll go inside and I'm going to show you how the fan, the blower motor fan does not work on this car now. Okay, so I'm turning the key on. Okay, we're going to turn the fan on and listen, now we won't get any noise out of there. Nothing. So it doesn't work at all. What we'll do guys, we'll turn the ignition off and I'll show you where to find that relay. It's under the hood, so we'll need to go ahead, open the hood of the vehicle and we'll explain which one it is now. So once you open the hood of your Mazda CX-7, next to the car battery is your fuse box cover right here. Go ahead, open it by bringing that tab to the front. Next to the box, you need to slide it front and up. Okay, like that. And the relay guys that we'll be looking now at, okay, let's come a little bit closer so you can see better. Okay, the relay for the heater, blower motor fan, okay, it's this guy right here. This is the relay. You have 2 of those, okay. You have one for the starter that's identical to this one and this one. So we have a video guys that explains how to test them. We have a video, check it out, super easy to test a relay. But if you want, you can switch them with the starter relay and see if that will take care of the problem. Okay, if let's say your fan doesn't work and you put that relay on the starter and the car doesn't want to start, okay, but you put the new one on the fan and it's working, then it's a bad relay. So what I usually do, I grab it with the pliers, but you have to be careful not to break them. Those are easy to break. Gently wiggle, don't go too much left or right, just gently, and pull it out. I'll grab the new one quick. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and install it. You can find guys in the description of the video below where we buy our relays. We'll have a link to the relay, so if you need one, you know where you can get it from, because sometimes it's hard to find one. We'll go ahead, push it in. I'll close the cover now here. Perfect, and let me go inside and see if the heater fan will work now. Okay, listen now. So definitely guys, working, and we have great working fans. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.